In this video, we are diving into a super useful topic, creating your very own custom tab in Excel. Customizing tab helps you work faster and smarter. You can create custom tabs with your most frequently used commands. Right-click on any tab and select Customize the Ribbon option. It will open the Excel options window and take you to the Customize Ribbon menu. Now, click on any tab. For example, I'm selecting the last visible tab, which is the Developer tab, and click on the New Tab button. It will insert a new tab just after the selected existing tab. Now, select the new custom tab and click on the Rename button. I'm changing the name to Exceldemy Tools. You can give a name as you wish. Now, click on New Group and rename it. I'm changing it to Efficiency Hub. And OK. Let's add commands in the group. Find the ones you use the most and hit Add. They will jump over to your custom group in the Custom tab. Then close the Excel Options window. You will find your customized tab with the necessary commands. In the same way, you can add more commands categorized into multiple groups. Also, you can hide this tab. Open the Excel Options window and uncheck the tab and click OK. The tab is now hidden. It's that simple. Deleting the tab is also possible. Again, go to the Excel Options window, check the box of the tab and click on the Remove button. Look, the tab is no longer visible and click OK, and that's it. Here's a task for you. Create your custom tab named Quick Access. Add a group called Shortcuts and throw in 3 commands you find useful. Comment below when you are done. Stay tuned for our next video.